Welcome to the channel, guys. Today's problem is about changing the data type. Here, we need to write a solution to correct the errors. The given information is such that the grade column is stored as floats. Here, we need to convert it to the integers. Here they have given one example. So here we need to the approach will be simply to convert grade column, which is in the float format. So we will use as type function to convert float into the integers. So now let's try to execute the codes. Here we will simply change the data type of grade function. And here we will apply as type function to change the data type into the integers. So now let's simply return the whole data frame. Now let's try to check if our code successfully passes all the test cases. Let's try to submit the code. Here we can see that the code has successfully passed all the test cases. If you like my approach, please do like, share, subscribe and share it too. Thank you and see you in the next video.